A very good morning, class 4B. I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class 4th, as you all know, that we are doing the 8th chapter of our EVS book, which is Reaching Grandmother's House, and we were discussing the assignment question answers from the assignment book. And now, in today's session, we are going to discuss the question answers from the assignment book, which is there in page number 39 of your assignment book. And these question answers have to be done in your notebook in a beautiful writing. So now let's begin with the session. First question: what did Umana see along the river bank when she was on ferry? So class, you have to tell me what the beautiful scenery she saw when she was sitting in the ferry. And we know that she saw the rippling of the water as the ferry moved. So she saw the water was rippling, and when the ferry was moving, it was moving very smoothly. And we also got to know that the ferry was moving very smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the bank of the river, so she can see lots and lots of rows of coconut trees on the bank of the river. And as she moved swiftly, she could see people fishing, people doing various activities like fishing, washing clothes, bathing, and working along the banks of river. So as the ferry was moving further, she was able to see different people performing different activities. Next question: name the places where one has to buy the entry tickets. So there are so many places, class, in which you have to buy the entry tickets, and without the entry tickets there will be no entry. For example, in movie hall, we all know that if we have to go and watch a movie, we have to buy a ticket. Secondly, the railway station, if we have to travel, so you have to buy a ticket for the railway station. Similarly with the metro also, similarly with the aeroplane, and at the end of the it's amusement park. If you have to enjoy the rides in the amusement park, you have to purchase the entry ticket for the amusement park as well. And without these tickets, there will be no entry in any of these places. Next question: name the means of transport for which you have to buy the tickets. So class, as we all know that there are different types of modes of transports. For example, your roadways, railways, waterways, and for all of these we have to buy the tickets. For example, if you have to travel in the bus, you have to purchase a ticket. Similarly with the trains, aeroplane, ferry, and metro, for all of these you have to purchase tickets if you have to travel. Next question: Umana traveled from different types of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what there were? So class, as we have learned that Umama traveled from different modes of transport. She has traveled from train, from your ferry. So you have to write down the different transports that she traveled after she got down from the train. So class, we remember that when she traveled from the train, when she got down from the train, she used various transport for traveling, and they were the auto, then she traveled from the bus, and finally before reaching her Anuamma house, she traveled from the ferries. Next question was: name the mode of transport used by Umana after reaching Kottayam. So class, we have learned that Umana has traveled through different transports. Now you have to write the name of the different modes of the transport that was used by Umana after reaching the Kottayam. So what were the different modes of transports that was used by Umana after reaching the Kottayam? So class, the modes of transport used by Umana after reaching Kottayam were your roadways, that was your auto and bus. We got to know that when she got down from the train, she traveled from auto, then she traveled from the train, and lastly the bus dropped near the island, and from that island, with the help of ferry, she was able to reach her Anuamma house. Next question was that, class, what is a ferry? You have to tell me what does a ferry. So class, we have learned about ferry, a boat or a ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relative short distance and a regular service. So class, we all know that ferry is a boat, or it can be a ship, or it can be both, and its purpose is to travel people or goods for a short distance of time and on a regular basis. In this also we saw that one ferry was coming and she was carrying lots of people, and while the other's ferry got down the people from one place to another. So this was the work of ferry, and this is how we describe a ferry. So class, make sure you do all these question answers in your notebook, and these questions are there in your page number 39 of your assignment book. Thank you.